What's up guys, and PureZ checking in. I'm going to show you guys how to make a team in Pokemon Showdown. I'm going to be recording live, so I'm going to talk while I do this. So first you go to the website, PokemonShowdown.com. If you don't know what this is, then most likely you wouldn't be watching this video in the first place. But if you don't know what it is, it's a online Pokemon battle arena. It's pretty cool. You type it in the URL. You can either hit play online, or you can go down to the servers down here. This is the most active server, so first go here. Then you're going to need a login. So choose name. I already have a name, so I'll just put it in. If you don't have a name, you can just type one in and they'll give you one. So once you go here, you can click on lobby if you want to talk to people and whatnot. But to make a team, go over here to team builder. It's going to have this little information over here. Click on new team format. Don't worry if you don't know what this is, then you probably need to learn about it, but click on OU is usually the most popular that people play, so click on this for now. Then you go to add Pokemon. If you have a team already built, you can put it import from text. So if you have a backup storage of a text file to import a team, you can just do it that way. I don't have one right now to show you, so I'll back out. So first you go to add Pokemon. They'll give you a list of Pokemon here, and you can see all their stats and their types. So you can just type in a Pokemon. Let's get some Charmander from Gen 1. Gen 1 is obviously the beast. Click on a little Charmander, don't let his tail go out. Alright, so the first thing you see is you can change his nickname. Let's call him Flamer Boy. You can go here, change the level. I don't know why you wouldn't want anything but 100, but suppose you have a friend who only wants to play level 50 max. Do that. Let's make him a male, masculine. Let's make him shiny, little yellow guy. And here you go to moves. There's tons of moves you can pick from over here. They give you an option of the most viable moves, which are over here. So for sake of this video, we'll just throw in some moves here. And if you want to find a particular move, you can always hit Control F on your screen, and just like any other search function, type in, you want to type in Body Slam. You'll see it pop up here. If you want to type in some type of, maybe does he have any thunder moves you can do? Alright, Thunder Punch. Click here, bam. So now what's going to pop up is your EV screen, which you can pretty much change his health, anything you want. But if you weren't in that screen, you click over here to stats. Click on it. This is the recommendation based on what moves you put, so you just tap on this, they put it in there for you. If you don't want that, if you want to change your own, just back out of this real quick. You can put in whatever you want here. You see down here where it says remaining, that's how many you have left. So this pretty much adds your HP, adds your attack, defense, whatever statistic you want. So we can add whatever you guys want on this one. And you can see on the right hand side over here what it pops up to. 252 is the max. You'll realize that later. They also have a different type of nature you can put in here if you want to base your character on some type of characteristic. If you really feel like it, maybe bashful, it's whatever you want. It doesn't matter. So then you want to go to your ability. Some might say illegal, which means you won't be able to use it in a competitive battle. If you do a custom game, it won't make a difference. But for this, we'll just pick solar power in this instance. You probably already know what ability does, but it's just something specific that Charmander can do that will help him out in battle. Then you have your items. Same thing you can do here. Control F if you want. Suppose you want, I don't know, what is it called? The Rocky Helmet. Click on it right here. What this does is this Pokemon or whatever Pokemon you pick holds this item during the battle, and you can use it to its advantage depending on what you pick. A very popular one is Leftovers. Gives us some more HP after every turn, 1/16. And that's pretty much what you do for a Pokemon. Once you're done with them, if for some reason you don't want them, hit delete. Otherwise, you can add more. You add 6 Pokemon. If you're doing custom matches, that might be more, might be less. It's whatever you want. So just for another example, let's put Baby Abra in here. So it's the same process you do. I mean, you go through, you can do your statistics, you can change his name to Telebra, and you can do the same thing here. So that's pretty much how you do it. So if you want to delete Abra, hit delete. Done like that. So after you make your 6, then what you want to do is you need to read this, or you can title them Gen 1 of Peace. Alright, so you do that. You see a title here. You can add teams if you want. You can edit, you can delete. What I would recommend you do is back up or restore all items. This will give you that text file I was discussing, so just hit Control A, Control C, or you can right click, copy, save it in some notepad, Word document, Excel file, whatever you want, somewhere to keep it so you can import it later, just in case you don't listen to these rules right here. So once you clear your cookies, blah blah blah. See, I usually go in private hosting when I go on the internet, so mine automatically gets cleared. So I specifically make sure I have my text files so I can put them right in there, so it's no problem. Let's get rid of this. So if you want to add another team, you just do this. Title whatever you want. Blah blah blah, and you have stuff like that. But if you want, suppose you have another team. Just add one more Pokemon here for some odd reason. Let's Voltorb, if I can spell it right. Alright, let's add this little ball in there. Now look what happens when you restore backup. You restore all of your teams. If you don't want that, you could obviously just delete. But if you want to click on here, if you want just this particular Pokemon, do this. Suppose you want to divide your teams, you're an organizer, whatever you want. But that's pretty much it. I wanted to make this a smaller video. It's going to be about 7 minutes probably, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Then once you have your teams, go here. You probably already know how to do this. This was just showing you how to make a team. That's it. Impurity Z is out.